Every single second, thousands of instant noodle packs are sold around the world. But almost nobody has seen how they're actually made. Inside this massive factory, simple flour begins an incredible journey through giant automated machines. Every stage is designed for the speed, precision, and perfect consistency. From fresh ingredients to perfectly sealed packs, the entire manufacturing process happens faster than most people could ever imagine. Today, we're taking you inside the factory to reveal every fascinating step. Every great bowl of instant noodles begins with just a few simple ingredients. But inside this factory, nothing about the process is simple. Premium wheat flour is carefully measured and transported through fully automated systems, where every gram is controlled for perfect consistency. Next, purified water, salt, and a carefully balanced alkaline solution are added to create the signature texture that instant noodles are known for. Inside enormous industrial mixers, powerful rotating blades transform these basic ingredients into smooth, elastic dough, preparing it for the next stage of production. But this dough isn't ready yet, because the next machine will completely transform its structure. Inside this factory, every batch begins with laboratory-level precision. Premium wheat flour is carefully measured before purified water, salt, and alkaline minerals are added in exact proportions. Powerful industrial mixers then knead the ingredients into a perfectly balanced dough. Every second of mixing is computer-controlled, ensuring every future noodle has the same texture, strength, and taste. In just a few seconds, this solid block of dough will be transformed into thousands of perfectly uniform noodle strands. The perfectly mixed dough now enters a series of enormous steel rollers. Each pass compresses it further, making the sheet thinner, smoother, and incredibly uniform. After multiple precision-controlled stages, the dough becomes almost paper-thin. Every millimeter is carefully monitored to guarantee identical thickness across the entire production line. Finally, the thin sheet reaches a high-speed cutting machine, where hundreds of razor-sharp blades instantly transform it into thousands of perfectly shaped noodle strands. But one final process gives these noodles their famous springy texture. These noodles may look complete, but one critical process is about to lock in their texture, flavor, and shelf life forever. The freshly cut noodle strands now enter massive industrial steam chambers where intense heat cooks them in just a few minutes. This crucial step locks the dough together and creates the soft or springy texture millions of people love. Next, the noodles move through a carefully controlled drying process that removes excess moisture while preserving their quality. Every second is monitored to ensure maximum freshness and a long shelf life. But before they can reach store shelves, every single pack must pass one final inspection. Everything looks perfect, but one final automated system decides whether these noodles are ready to be shipped to millions of homes around the world. After passing every quality inspection, each noodle block moves into a fully automated packaging line, where high-speed machines seal every pack within seconds to protect its freshness. Robotic systems then sort, stack, and pack thousands of finished products with incredible speed and precision before they are loaded onto pallets for shipment. Every single day, millions of instant noodle packs leave factories like this, beginning a journey to supermarkets, restaurants, and homes across the world. From a handful of flour to a meal enjoyed in just minutes, this is how instant noodles are really manufactured. From a handful of flour to a meal enjoyed in just minutes, this is how instant noodles are really manufactured.